how to set up direct deposit on Spark Driver in 2026. So if you want to set up direct deposit on Spark Driver in 2026, then what you need to do is first, you just need to simply go with the website right here and then just log into your account. Just simply go with the login page, which will take you to this kind of interface. Enter your email ID and your password and then log into your Spark Driver. Upon the login, it might ask you for the verification code. If you've entered the code, then it will just log in you into your account. Once you're on your account, you need to just simply go with your account details and then you'll have the earnings option. You need to click on the earnings section. Under that, you will have your active accounts, right? But you need to go with manage earnings account, which will be on the bottom. Here, you'll need to scroll down at the bottom part of the website and look for the link bank account. Once you find link bank account, just click on it. And then you need to enter all of the information or complete all the information about your bank details. Then click on I authorize Walmart to initiate credit entries, and then you need to go with submit, which will be on the bottom. After that, you'll see a notification when your primary earnings account will be active. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.